Hello everyone and Ramadan Kareem. After I seen so many people, they are asking they want to know more about the service charge in Dubai. Either if you are owner or someone is looking for to buy a property here, or even a tenant, they want to understand more about the service charge. So I want to make this video to go through all informations about the service charge from Dubai Rest, which will explain everything. Also, you can see it in the property finder Bayut. Before, if you are going to purchase a property, you can see the service charge in Bayut for some buildings which are ready. Also, I will share some information about the invoice, how it looks like for one of the properties I have. What is exactly the service charge? The service charge is basically uh, amount of money it's paid by the owners or the landlords, as we say. It's gonna be paid to developer because some developer they are managing them buildings by themselves, like for example AMR, or it can be as we call owners association or a management company, like for example Saga management company, which handling some of the buildings. Um, a service charge is basically amount, as we said, it's paid by the owners, the developer or the management company to maintain either the community for the villa or for the building, the whole building, in case apartment or office or a shop. So the owner will pay that amount either in this villa or a building, they're gonna pay. So the prices in general start from 13 dirhams per square foot for the apartment or offices or a shop, and it's from one, like Al Forjan, 1 dirham per square foot in some areas in Forjan. Some areas in Forjan they don't pay till now, like Al Forjan West. And for the villa, it's gonna be between 1 to 5 dirhams. Like Arabian ranches, I think it's around 3 dirhams per square foot or a little bit more. For yeah, as we said, to the maintain the building. What means maintain the building? Maintain the building like security, cleaning, trash, lighting, emergency, cleaning the glass from outside. Everything belong to the building, outside, inside the building. It's belong to the service charge. So the amount you pay, it's gonna be go to maintain that whole building. If it's a villa, it goes to the community. For the villa is different. The community is less villas. It's not like an apartment. You can find 300 apartments in one building, and the villas will be smaller community, which can be managed. That's why the price is less. Some villa also they have which called community club, which will be some amount will be extra as well for that amount that up top of the service charge. Anyway, all this money it goes to one account under the service charge. So we'll go through that, for example, and to give an example, and you will see everything about it. Let's go from the beginning, start from Dubai Rest, and then we go from Property Finder and Bayut and the Bizel. We'll explain more about it, and then we go to the invoice, which how it looks like. Just want to add one more thing as well about this is for ready properties. For off plan now, we are given numbers for off plan, for example, between 16 to 18 or between 18 to 20 for which under construction, but that's not specific number. But when they hand over, they will give the number exactly. But most of the developer right now, they are given number for the service charge for under construction as well. Before, I guess, not all the developer they give the number of the service charge per square foot for the under construction, but now they have. So let's go for start from the beginning for under construction for Dubai Rest. Dubai Rest, Dubai Rest, what is Dubai Rest? Dubai Rest, it's like application you download in your mobile like this. You can see it here. Dubai Rest from Apple, from you can download it, and then you go, it will, when you download the application, it will show you exactly like this. Log in to application. This is for the owners, for the tenant. If you are owner and you have property, you can log in by your title deed, your Emirates ID, or Smart Pass. So here also, let's go just talk more about Dubai Rest, and then we move to the service charge. Here in Dubai Rest, you can see also the rental index in case you are a landlord and you want to, I will do another video about this. If you are a owner and you are looking and you want to see how much you can increase next year for apartment which rented, you can check how much you can increase when you put the information is there. Service charges here. And there is also one good thing about here for under construction projects. You can go, we're gonna do another video also about under construction. You can go here for this project status, and you can see what the project reached exactly construction. So let's say we click here on service charge, and then we will go to this page. This page will give you to enter details manually. It's much better for me. It's always I enter the details manually, and then we go like this, and then we go to the building. Service charge here. So for example, you put 014 Tower Business Bay, you put office, and you put the near, and it will calculate for you. Here you can't change. It can be office, it can be a shop, it can be a villa, it can be apartment. We'll go for that, and this is for the year. Then after that, you go like, for example, this one, it's Damak Heights, Dubai Marina. Here, when you click for you here, it will show you parking, residential, or retail. Some of them it will show also offices. So, and when you go to the other one for the year, here, it will show you which year you are choosing. So this one for Damak Heights is 2025. So when you go, it will show you like this. When you finish, it will show you like this. And then you can download this as a PDF file. So this is by Damak Heights. It will show you also the date, and it will show you the management company which they are looking after the building management. And here they will give you the whole breakdown. Here, I just want to mention something about the EC. So here is good. Actually, the Heights is called chiller free. What means chiller free? Chiller is included in the service charge. Most of the buildings are not, the service charge is not included in the chiller is not included in the service charge. But for the Heights, the chiller is included for the service charge. The parking also is there, different amount for the parking, which is 832. But most of the building, they will come, the apartment come with the parking. So we'll go through all of them. Okay, so here now the service charge, how it shows in the first time. And here you can share. When you share, it come PDF. Let's see after we download the PDF how it looks like. It's the same one we did before. Like this is Marina Promenade, for example, by Emaar, Dubai Marina. The management company is Emaar community themselves. So Emaar, they are looking after the building, no one else. Here there is extra money. Here it's called unit AC charge, which air condition, chiller. It's 4.4 per square foot for the air conditioner and the service charge. So when we add all of it, it will be 9.79 plus 4.46. And here also the same. For example, let's talk about the villa. Villa in Al Forjan. Where they said it's 0.99. It's 1 dirham approximately for Al Forjan villa. Some of the villas in Al Forjan, like Al Forjan West, I believe till now they are not paying anything for the service charge. Why? Because the area is still under construction, and still they have a lot of construction there. It is not finished yet and is not proper area and ready, totally ready to put the service charge. This is why it's less, and some of them, as I said, they are not paying anything. And this is Al-Furjan as well, another community which by Al-Nakhil themselves. Nakhil, they are handling. This is, I believe, it's Al-Furjan East. Yeah, it's Al-Furjan East, which 1.27 per square foot. Let's go for the now we talk about the management company, which not developer. So, for example, the EC Tower, it's managed by Saga International Owners Association. This company is managing this building, so we can't see the service charge here, where it's 15 dirhams per square foot, and then we have unit AC charge 4.4 dirham per square foot, and then we have something about the AC installation or something. It's 1,500. When we go, for example, this is office, Jumeirah Bay X1, it's an office. So it's here, actually, it's office. It is here. No, it's actually Jumeirah, sorry, Jumeirah Bay X1, it's not office, it's a residential tower. We can see, which I consider this building is like has a high service charge. Service charge is 15, almost 16 dirhams per square foot. When you go down, there is additional charge, which this is for the AC, 7 dirhams per square foot, which we're talking about 23 dirhams per square foot for this building, which for this building, which are around 12 years old, it's a lot. Anyway, for this building, I hear they're gonna change it to chiller, and they were gonna remove chiller, and it's gonna be belong to Empower or something. This is Jumeirah Bay X3, which it's offices only. There is no residential there. So we can see the service charge as well, the same, 16 dirhams per square foot. And there is additional charge, which this is for the AC. So again, it's you're talking about 23 dirhams per square foot. It's too much. So let's go for the villa for Arabian Ranches, for example. Arabian Ranches, we have the service charge. It's, as I said before, it's a three dirhams per square foot for the Arabian Ranches, which is a villa community. It's not residential. Okay, we finished from here, from Dubai Rest. And now we can't go, like, if you are a buyer, like this property is mine, this is my property, it's listed online. So when you go to find a property to buy in Property Finder or Bayut on the Bezel, if it's ready property, you can go down and you can see here the service charge 14 dirhams per square foot, but they won't, if there is any extra money like the parking or the EC charge, they won't add it. They will add only the service charge which to maintain the building, not the EC and not the parking. So this is for the maintenance only in Damak Heights, which we said before here in Damak Heights. Damak Heights, this is Damak Heights, 1427. 1442, approximately the same, but they did not add the unit AC and the parking here. This is for Bayut. Any property ready, you can see the service charge. And you can ask your agent as well to send you details about the service charge, and he can send you the invoice as well if he has the invoice. For Bayut, you can go as well, which still this is mine as well. You can go here and you can see the service charge here. And also in Bayou, there is a good thing about the property. You can see the average rent here, how much. And this property actually is rented for less than 6. She's rented for 135 for one single check. And then we go to Dubizel. Dubizel also is the same. You can see the service charge here for any property which ready. This all three, you can see it. This is Bayud, and this is Property Finder. Now we go to the invoice. This is one of the invoice only, not the invoices will be the same, but this is the one of the properties I have, so I want to share this so to have just idea how it like. So the service charge you can pay every 3 months, or you can pay it like every 6 months. Also, you can pay it in one time for the whole year. Here it will be the invoice number, and you can pay, as I said, 3 months or 6 months or 1 year. And it has a bank account specific for the service charge, which, for example, here we can see. We just add something here, the invoice here every 3 months, and here the management company or developer informations, and here the bank details, which you have it's the name of the bank. I'm gonna do this video as well in Arabic later. Um, Also the ABN for the bank and the account number as well here. Here you will have the property code. Here you have the property number, either office, villa, or apartment. It will show here, and it will show you all the information: unit, residential, Jumeirah BX1, 902, the plot number, everything will be here in this invoice after you pay. So the money, it will not go to the owner or to developer direct. It will go to the bank account, which under um, the building name for the service charge. And then after you go there, so here the person who will be in charge to do that, and then just let's okay. Okay, so now we go to the breakdown. Here they will be sharing with you all the breakdown for the service charge. What are you paying exactly for your service charge from top to down? I usually share this with my client also when I'm selling a property. So the AC here, see, you can see it's added here. Installation as well is added. So I hope all this clear about the service charge, which can help in the future, and I'm gonna do it in Arabic as well. And if anyone need any help, just contact me on my WhatsApp. I'm always available here. And thank you, and Ramadan Kareem again.